Magandang buhay po at welcome po muli dito sa aking channel. Ngayon po ang aking pong ituturo is how to solve routine and non-routine problems applying or involving addition and subtraction of fractions. So ituturo ko po kung paano po mag-solve ng problems step by step. Sa bawat problems po na aking ipipresent, ito po yung ating sasagutan ng mga katanungan. Number 1, what is asked? Number 2, what is the given facts or necessary information? Number 3, what are the operations to be used? Number 4, what is the equation? And number 5, what is the answer? So step by step po, ibibigay ko po kung paano yan sasagutan. Sa video po na ito po yung ating sasagutan ng mga problems. Tuturo ko po kung paano po yan sasagutan, yung 5 katanungan, step by step. At kung wala po dyan yung iyong sinasagutan na problem, pwede nyo pong i-comment sa comment box at tutulungan ko po kayo kung paano po iyan sagutan. Para ma-notify po kayo ng aking sagot sa inyong comment, click nyo po yung like and subscribe upang sa ganun pag ako po ay nag-comment, ako po ay sumagot sa inyong mga katanungan, ay manonotify po kayo ni YouTube. Okay, so for number 1 problem, it took Manny 2/4 of an hour to complete his math homework on Friday, 2/3 of an hour on Saturday, and 3/6 of an hour on Sunday. How many hours did he spend in doing his homework altogether? So ito pong problem na ito ay example po ng routine problem. Okay? So paano po natin yan sasagutan? Ito po yung mga katanungan na ating sasagutan. Yung number 1 po dyan ay, what is asked? So ano po yung tinatanong ng problem? Ito po, how many hours? So kapag nilagay po natin dyan, yung sagot po natin, the total number of hours Manny spent in doing homework. Okay? Number 2, what is the given facts or necessary information? So yung given po na tinatanong niya dito, ito po yung mga numbers sa problem. So ano po yung mga given dyan? Ito po, yung ating unang fraction, 2/4. Okay? So 2/4 hour spent on Friday. Okay? Next, ito po yung isa pang fraction, 2/3 hour spent on Saturday. And yung third fraction natin, 3/6 hour spent on Sunday. Number 3 question, what are the operations to be used? So, yung tinatanong po niyang operation dito, it's either pong addition or subtraction or both. Ano po? Since ang tinatanong po dito ay how many hours, ibig sabihin, ano yung total hours na ginugol niya sa paggawa niya ng homework. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot po dyan, kung susumain po natin, that is addition. Since it need to get the total hours spent in math homework. Okay? So, number 4, what is the equation? So, ano po yung gagamitin natin para masagot po natin yung tanong ng problem? Okay? So, yung equation na yan, gagamit po natin yung ating operation. So, lahat po ng fraction na yan ay ipa-plus po natin. Yung una ay 2/4 plus 2/3 plus yung pangatlong fraction ay 3/6 is equal to n. So, yung n po, yan po yung total hours. Okay? Okay, so for number 5 question, what is the answer? Solve the problem. Okay, so susolve po natin by adding the fractions or yung ginawa po nating equation kanina ay isosolve po natin. Okay. So, since ito po ay addition of fraction at yung kanilang denominators ay magkakaiba, so dissimilar fractions po sila, ibig sabihin kailangan po natin kunin yung kanilang LCD. So, paano po kunin yung LCD? I-list po natin yung mga denominators 4, 3, and 6. Okay? And then, kunin po natin yung multiples of 4. So, paano po ba kunin yung multiples of 4? Ililist lang po natin yung mga numbers. Skip counting lang po tayo. Since 4 yan, kaya 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. And then yung pangalawang number, yung 3, skip counting again, 3, 6, 9, 12. And yung 6 last, 6, 12, 18, 24. So, kapag nag-list na po tayo ng kanilang multiples, tingnan po natin kung mayroon silang pare-parehong multiples. So, in this case, mayroon po. Ito po ay 12. Mayroon pong 12 sa 4, may 12 sa 3, at may 12 sa 6. So, kung wala po silang pare-parehong multiples, pwede po ninyong dagdagan yung kanilang multiples. Okay? So, ang LCD po natin dito sa tatlong fraction na yan ay 12. Okay, so since meron na po tayong LCD na 12, gawin po nating similar yung tatlong fractions na yung kanilang denominators ay pare-parehong 12. So, paano po kunin yung kanilang numerator? Okay, so tingnan po natin yung una na fraction ay 2 over 4. So, 2 over 4, multiply lang po natin sa numerator yung ating LCD na 12. So, 2 times 12 is equal to 24. And then, i-divide lang po natin yung denominator na 4. And 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Okay? So, ilagay po natin yon 6 over 12. So, yung 2 over 4 naging 6 over 12. Okay? So, yung pangalawang fraction, 2/3. Again, multiply natin sa numerator yung LCD na 12. So, 2 times 12 is equal to 24. All over yung denominator na 3. So, 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So, lagay po natin sa taas, 8 over 12 na. Okay? Yung 2/3 naging 8 over 12. Okay? Then, the last fraction, 3 over 6. Again, multiply natin sa numerator yung LCD. So, 3 times 12 is equal to 36. And then, i-divide natin yung denominator niya na 6. So, 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. Okay, lagay po natin sa pangatlong fraction, 6 over 12. Okay, so in this case, similar fractions na po sila. Pwede na pong i-add. Okay? Ito po, paano po ba i-add pag similar fraction? I-add lang po natin yung kanilang numerator. So, 6 plus 8, that is 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. Okay? And then, yung denominator, kopya lang po natin yung 12 since sila po ay similar. Okay, yung sagot po natin ay 20 over 12. Pwede po nating i-reduce to lowest term, magiging 5 over 3. Since yung ating pong sagot ay improper, pwede rin po nating i-write into mixed fraction. Yung 5 over 3, pwedeng 1 and 2/3. So, to answer the problem, the number of hours spent or the number of hours money spent in doing math homework is 1 and 2/3. Okay, so for number 2 problem, Mrs. Benos bought 3 and 1/3 kilogram of fish and 2 and 3/4 kilogram of meat. How many kilograms of goods did Mrs. Benos bought altogether? Okay, so ito po ay example again ng routine problem, pero yung given po natin, if you notice dito, ay mixed fraction. Okay, so sagutan po natin yung mga katanungan. Number 1, what is asked? So ano po ba yung tinatanong ng problem dito? So sabi niya dito sa huling sentence ay, how many kilograms of goods? So ilan daw na kilogram of goods ang binili ni Mrs. Benos? Okay? So to answer, the total kilograms of goods Mrs. Benos bought. Okay, yun po yung kanyang tinatanong. Yung total kilograms. Okay, so for number 2 question, what is the given facts or necessary information? So ano po yung given o yung number dun sa ating problem? Okay, dalawa lang po. Yung una ay 3 and 1/3 kilogram of fish at yung pangalawa ay 2 and 3/4 kilogram of meat. For number 3 question, what are the operations to be used? So ano po yung operation? Since ang tinatanong po niya dito ay how many kilograms, so ilan lahat na kilogram, so ang gagawin po natin dyan ay addition since it need to get the total kilograms of goods. Ano po? So, ito total po kasi natin, kaya i-add po natin. Okay? So, number 4, what is the equation? So, ano po yung gagamitin po natin na equation para ma-solve yung tanong? Ano po? So, since dalawa lang po yung ating mixed fraction, so 3 and 1/3, so addition siya, kaya plus 2 and 3/4 is equal to n. So, yan po yung ating gagamitin na equation para ma-solve yung problem or masagot yung tanong sa problem. And for number 5 question, what is the answer? Solve the problem. Okay? So, solve na po natin yung equation 3 and 1/3 plus 2 and 3/4. So, ito, i-apply po natin yung ating knowledge about adding mixed fraction. So, paano po ba mag-a-add ng mixed fraction? So, una po, i-add natin yung kanilang whole number. So, yung unang fraction ay 3, yung pangalawa ay 2. So, 3 plus 2. Then, i-add din natin yung kanilang fraction. Yung una ay 1/3, yung pangalawa ay 3/4. Okay? So, i-add po natin yung whole number nila. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Madali lang. Pero, yung kanilang pong fraction, 1/3 plus 3/4, sila po ay dissimilar fractions. So, hindi po natin basta may-add. So, gawin po natin silang similar fractions. Okay? So, paano po ba gawing similar fractions? Kunin po natin yung kanilang LCD. So, paano po kunin yung LCD? Kunin po natin yung kanilang denominator. Yung una ay 3, yung pangalawa ay 4. And then, i-list po natin yung multiples of 3, yung una. So, skip counting by 3. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Pwede pong dagdagan. Okay, yung pangalawa ay 4. Skip counting ulit tayo. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. So, kung may magkapareho na po dyan na multiple, yun na po yung kanilang LCD. Meron po ba? Meron po. Yung 3 ay 12, meron ding 12 sa 4. So, yung LCD natin ay 12. So, ilagay po natin yon yung bagong denominator nila, 12, and then 12. At pagkakuha po ng LCD na 12, kunin naman po natin yung kanilang numerator. So, yung una pong fraction dyan ay 1/3. Multiply po ulit natin yung kanilang LCD na 12. So, 1 times 12 is equal to 12. And then, i-divide po natin yung kanyang denominator na 3. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay? So, ilagay po natin doon, magiging 4/12. And then next, yung pangalawang fraction ay 3/4. So, again, multiply natin yung 12 sa numerator. So, 3 times 12 is equal to 36. Divide by yung denominator na 4. So, 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So, ilagay po natin dyan, magiging 9. So, 9/12. So, similar fractions na po sila. Now, we are going to add. So, this will become 5 plus. Okay, so, similar fraction, i-add lang po natin yung numerator. 4 plus 9 is 13 all over yung denominator na 12. Kopyahin lang po natin 12. So, if you are going to add, this will become, okay, 6 and 1/12. So, paano po nangyari yon? Yung 5 plus 13/12 naging 6 and 1/12. So, since yung 13/12 ay improper fraction, so magiging, sa mixed fraction kasi yung 13/12, magiging 1 and 1/12. Kaya yung 1 na yon, idagdag natin sa 5, kaya naging 6. So, 6 and 1/12. So, to answer the problem, the total kilogram bought by Miss Benos is 6 and 1/12 kilogram. Okay, so for number 3 problem, Mang Juan had a piece of wood that was 15 feet in length. If he cuts only 6 and 2/3 feet of wood, then how much wood will be left? Okay? So, ito naman pong question na ito ay parang meron kang 15 feet length na kahoy at ikakat mo yung 6 and 2/3 o tatanggalin mo, ibabawas mo yung 6 and 2/3. Okay? So, sagutan po natin yung mga katanungan. Number 1, what is asked? Okay, so ano po yung tinatanong ng problem? Ang tinatanong po niya is the total feet of wood left. So, ano yung matitira kapag ibinawas mo yung 6 and 2/3? Okay? So, number 2 question, what is the given facts or necessary information? So, ano po yung given sa ating problem? Dalawa lang po yan na number. Una, yung 15 feet of wood. And then, pangalawa ay yung 6 and 2/3 feet of wood, yung ibabawas. And for number 3 question, what are the operations to be used? Okay, since ibabawas mo yung 6 and 2/3 sa 15, so gagamit tayo ng subtraction. Since it need to get the total feet of wood left, yung matitirang wood. Okay? Number 4, what is the equation? So ano po yung equation dyan? So yung equation lang po dyan ay yung 15, ima-minus natin yung 6 and 2/3 is equal to n. So, yan po yung ating gagamit na equation para ma-solve yung question sa problem. And for number 5 question, what is the answer? Solve the problem. Okay? So, madali lang po. Gamit po natin yung na-derive na equation kanina, 15 minus 6 and 2/3. Subtract lang po natin yung whole number. So, 15 minus 6. And then, i-add po natin yung fraction na 2/3. Fraction ng 6 and 2/3. Okay? So, 15 minus 6 is 9. Dagdag natin o i-plus natin yung 2/3. Then, 9 plus 2/3 is equal to 9 and 2/3. So, to answer the problem, the total feet of wood left is 9 in 2/3 feet. Okay, so for number 4 problem, Miss Tiny drove her car for 3 and 1/4 hours to reach Aliana's resort and then drove for 3 and 4/5 hours to return home. How much longer did it take Miss Tiny to drive home? So ano po yung problem all about? So ito po ay pagdadrive ng car. Ano po? So si Miss Tiny daw nag-drive ng car papunta sa Aliana's resort at ang ginugol niyang oras ay 3 and 1/4. And then, nung pabalik na siya sa kanyang bahay, ang ginugol niyang oras sa pagdadrive ay 3 and 4/5 hours. So, yung tinatanong dito ay how much longer. So, if you notice, mas mabilis yung pagpunta niya sa Aliana's Resort and then mas mabagal yung kanyang pag-uwi. So, ang tinatanong dito, gaano katagal kumpara dun sa papunta yung pagdadrive ni Miss Tiny. Okay? So, let's try to answer the questions. Number 1, what is asked? So, tinatanong niya dito ay, how much hours longer of the return trip? Okay? And then, for number 2, what is the given facts or necessary information? So, ano po yung given dito? So, yung una ay 3 and 1/4 hours going to Aliana's Resort. And then, 3 and 4/5 hours going back home. Then, for number 3 question, what are the operations to be used? So, ano po yung operation para masagot yung question dun sa problem? So, yung operation dyan ay subtraction. Since it need to get how much longer is the return trip. Okay? Then, for number 4, what is the equation? So, ano yung equation po dito? Since mas mabagal po o mas malaki po yung fraction ng return trip, kaya unahin po natin 3 and 4/5. Then, isusubtract natin yung hour o yung oras na pagpunta niya sa resort, 3 and 1/4 is equal to n. So, yan po yung equation na gagamitin natin para masagot po yung question. And then, for number 5 question, what is the answer? Solve the problem. Okay, so ito po yung equation natin kanina. 3 and 4/5 minus 3 and 1/4. So again, this is subtraction of mixed fraction. So una, isubtract natin yung kanilang whole number. So pareho pong 3, kaya 3 minus 3. Then, kapag nakuha po, isusubtract naman po natin yung kanilang fraction. So, yung una po ay 4/5 minus yung pangalawa ay 1/4. Okay, so if you notice here, yung ating whole number, 3 minus 3 is 0. So, wala na po yan. Okay, so isusubtract na lang po natin yung kanilang fraction. So, again, yung pong 4/5 and 1/4 ay sila po ay dissimilar fraction. So, gawin po natin silang similar fractions. Ano po? So, by getting the LCD. So, ano po yung LCD ng 4/5 and 1/4? So, ang denominators po nila ay 5 and 4. So, again, ilist po natin yung multiples of 5. So, skip counting by 5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. At yung 4 naman is 4, 8, 12, 16. So, meron na po bang magkapareho dyan? Kung wala po, dagdagan po natin. So, wala pa po. So, dagdagan po natin 16, 20. So, meron na po. Yung 5 may multiple na 20 at yung 4 ay may 20. So, yung LCD po natin dyan ay 20. So, ilagay na po natin yung bago nilang denominator. So, 20. And then, kunin po natin yung kanilang numerator. So, yung unang fraction po dyan ay 4/5. So, multiply lang po natin sa numerator yung LCD na 20. So, 4 times 20 is equal to 80. And then, i-divide po natin ulit yung denominator na 5. So, 80 divided by 5 is 16. Okay? And then, yung yan, lagay po natin sa taas. So, magiging 16/20. Yung pangalawang fraction, 1/4. Again, multiply natin yung LCD na 20 sa numerator. So, 1 times 20 is equal to 20. And then, divide natin yung denominator na 4. So, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So, ilagay din po natin, magiging 5/20. So, yan. Similar fractions na po sila. So, to subtract lang po natin yung numerator. So, 16 minus 5 is 11. All over, copy the denominator na 20. So, 11/20. Hindi na po pwedeng simplify yan. So, yun yung final answer nyo. So, to answer the question, the return trip is longer than 11/20 hours. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video lesson.